Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
All right, back with another fun project for you. Everything's fun around here. Okay, today we're gonna make corn husk dolls, which have a long and rich history, I think, at least in North America and the Americas, because it's a doll made from corn husks, like it says. So you're gonna get your corn husks. These are what they're gonna look like. I made a few different ones with a braid. I'm gonna show you how to make these. First you have to soak, I've been soaking these overnight. You have to soak them so they are pliable and soft. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit wet, so I'm gonna put a little, you could put some newspaper or some paper towel down for me because as you can see, the corn husk is wet. You're going to separate them out. You need to have 4 in a stack that are sort of a similar size. You'll notice when you get into the corn husk, they have different colors. You can't feel that, but they have different textures. So we're gonna do 4. So 1, you wanna find 4 kind of nice ones, not super fat because it's gonna be hard. They actually tear really easy if you look. I'm counting.
Okay.
1, 2,
I won't interrupt you anymore.
3, 4. You need 4. Okay, and then you're gonna scrunch up the top, and then you're gonna rip off a little piece of the ribbon, the actual corn husks, and wrap it around a couple times, and you're gonna make a knot with it. It's surprisingly strong. Then I'm gonna carefully look, 1, 2, I'm gonna take 2 and 2, and I'm gonna flip it out like that, flip it out, and then tuck all that business inside, and then look at that, that's where the head is gonna be. The head's gonna be like that. Then I'm going to take another piece of my string and I'm going to wrap it around to make the head. And you need to knot it twice so it doesn't come undone. There you go. And then I'm going to trim it, but I'm not going to trim it super close because then the knot will come out. So now I have a head. And I'm going to sort of smush it down so it looks kind of head-ish. So now you're going to kind of fluff it out so it looks like a body. Next, you're going to take another corn husk. I'm going to use my scissors and cut it. These are going to be the arms. And I'm going to make myself a few more pieces of my string. This wouldn't work if the corn husks were dry. Okay, so now I'm going to make the arm. I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it. And see that, like a good length for her arms? I think so. And then on the end, again, I'll make a little 2 knots. And then give it a little trim. Another of my little pieces of string. So native cultures made these, and then when settlers came,
when
they learned how to do it.
And they also, adapted them for different celebrations.
Also in Mexico, they make these really beautiful, elaborate ones. Ours are more simple. All right, so I put the arms up in halfway, and now I'm making the waist. I'm tying doing my little 2 knots and give it a little trimmy. Okay, like that. Okay, that is the basic simple one. And then you can sort of fluff out the skirt. It's incredibly pliable. Like I've seen the kids make like dogs out of them or cats. So that's the basic one. All right, so we'll leave her over here. And now I'm gonna make one more and show you how to do hair. And then I think you'll be able to do it. If you're watching this video and I'm going too fast, you can just slow it down. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm gonna go in 2. And I'm going to put this one in and kind of scrunch it up. This is going to be the hair, and you'll see what happens when I flip it over. So 1, 2, put an extra one inside here. And I think that you could play around with how you do these. So I've tied that. Now, carefully, 1, 2, flip it over, and you'll see, make the head, there's an extra one that I've left, and I picked one that was kind of thin. And I'm going to leave that up while I make the head. And so you work with the corn husks when they're, see, that can happen. It just broke, so I'm just going to get a different one. Okay, here we go. So now I'm tying the head. 1, 2, okay. A little trim. Now this is kind of cool. So now I'm gonna split this. 1, 2, and I split it into 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And does anybody know how to braid? I'm gonna braid her hair. Here we go. Now I'm going to tie it off. You could even make a little bow if you were feeling fancy. Okay, then see, she has long, beautiful flowing hair. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. If you're going to make your doll have legs, you're just going to sort of look where's halfway and start, because remember, this is really easy to tear. Split your pieces of corn husks into 2. And then I think, because it's kind of thick, you're going to want to tie the legs at the bottom. Okay, a little trim. Or you can leave them long if you like. Again, so that's how you make legs and arms and hair. And then however you want to position your hair, you need to do it when it's wet. So that's how you do it. That's how you make a corn husk doll. Here's the whole family. Happy fall to everybody, and thanks for joining us, and hope to see you again soon. Bye, friends.
See you next time.
Bye, friends.